Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why you're not able to open your hood. The first common reason why you're not able to open your hood is because maybe the hood is just stuck. First, pull on the hood latch. Next, apply pressure on the hood by pushing it downward or pulling it upward. Once the hood is open, inspect the hood latch mechanism. Make sure it is not sticky. If the hood latch is sticky, you may have to clean it up and remove the dirt and debris on the locking mechanism. Next, lubricate the hood latch assembly or mechanism by applying white lithium grease or lubricating oil. If you're not able to open your hood, maybe you have a stretched or broken hood cable. Pull on the hood latch as far as possible. If that doesn't work, use a plier and grab onto the hood latch cable and pull it as far as possible. Once the hood is open, make sure the cable is not loose or came out of place on the hood latch lock assembly or mechanism. Make sure the clips are not missing that holds the hood cable in place, and also make sure the hood cable is not stretched. If you're able to see metal exposed on the hood cable, then you know it is time to replace the hood cable. Another reason why the hood is not opening is because maybe the hood is just misaligned. First, check for a missing rubber stopper. If the rubber stoppers are missing, then this will definitely cause a hood misalignment and the hood will not close all the way properly. If your hood is closed and you notice there's a gap, most likely the hood stopper is missing or you need to adjust the hood stopper. If your vehicle was involved in a fender bender, this can definitely push the locking mechanism out of place. This can definitely make it difficult to open the hood. And if that still didn't fix your problem, most likely you have a bad hood lock mechanism. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.